Dear students, welcome to 10th Standard Social Science Online Examination Series 3. You have already watched the videos of first and second series. If you want to see them again, links are available in description. Let's begin. Four choices are given for each incomplete statements or questions. Choose the correct answer. First one, Blue Water Policy was implemented by Francisco de Almeida, Alfonso de Albuquerque, Sir Thomas Roe, Duplex. Second question. The main reason for Second Anglo-Maratha War was subsidiary alliance, the death of Madhav Rao, the differences among the Maratha chieftains, the politics of Raghunath Rao. Third MCQ. Calcutta Madrasa was started by Jonathan Duncan, Charles Grant, Warren Hastings, William Bentinck. MCQ number 4. The politics of Travancore was the main reason for First Anglo-Mysore War, Second Anglo-Mysore War, Third Anglo-Mysore War, Fourth Anglo-Mysore War. Fifth one, the British Governor General during the Fourth Anglo-Mysore War was Warren Hastings, Lord Cornwallis, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Wellesley. Sixth one, Mool Shankar was the original name of Dayananda Saraswati, Swami Vivekananda, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Annie Besant. MCQ number 7. The assistant of Nana Sahib was Rani Lakshmi Bai, Bahadur Shah II, Tatya Tope, Mangal Pandey. Let's move to 8th one. Traditionally, the first 20 years of the Indian National Congress is called as the age of radicals, the age of revolutionaries, the age of moderates, the age of minors. Ninth one, the Indians launched a Raksha Bandhan program against the partition of Bengal, the partition of Bihar, the misadministration of British, the inefficiency of the British rule. 10th one, the radical leader who died when the protesters were lathi charged in Lahore was Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bala Gangadhar Tilak, Arvind Ghosh. MCQ number 11. First round table conference remained incomplete because Dr. B.R. Ambedkar did not participate. The Indian National Congress did not participate. The moderates did not participate. The radical leaders did not participate. MCQ number 12. The government of Karnataka sanctioned 3,000 acres of land to Tibetan refugees at Kaiga, Koppal, Bailukuppe, Bailuru. MCQ number 13. In order to address the regional imbalances, a committee was set up under M.D. Nanjundaswamy, N.D. Sundaresh, D.M. Nanjundappa, Rudrappa. 14. After the end of Second World War, the world was divided into two power blocks between USA and USSR, USA and India, USSR and India, USA and England. 15. BRICS group of nations has been established with continuous efforts of India and Russia, India and China, India and USA, USA and China. MCQ number 16. The UN General Body meeting adopted the Human Rights Declaration on December 10th, 1947, November 10th, 1948, December 11, 1948, December 10, 1948. 17. The 5 permanent members of UNO are France, USA, UK, Russia and Japan, France, Japan, UK, Russia and China, France, USA, UK, Russia and China, France, USA, UK, Germany and China. 18. Article 21A was included in the Constitution as per 93rd Amendment, 86th Amendment, 51st Amendment, 17th Amendment. 19. Laborers of medical institutions are called as primary sector, secondary sector, unorganized sector, organized sector. 20. Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act was implemented in the year 2011, 2009, 2010, 2012. 21. The local people of Salyani opposed the move of the contractor to cut trees in Sardar Sarovar Project, Kalase Forest, Silent Valley, Kaiga Nuclear Plant. Let's move to 22. Burzil, Zozila, Shipkila passes are found in the Lesser Himalayas, the Sivalik Hills, the Greater Himalayas, the Northern Great Plain. 23. India gets less rainfall during this season. The winter season, the summer season, the rainy season, the retreating monsoon season. 24. Red soils do not retain moisture because they are leached, and fertile soils, they are leached soils, not fertile. They are sandier and high clay content. They are sandier and less clay. 25. The state which has the largest area under forests is Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. 26. The multipurpose river valley project which has been designed on the lines of Tennessee Valley Authority in USA is the Damodar Valley Project, the Kosi Project, the Rihand Valley Project, the Nagarjuna Sagar Project. 27. A system of farming in which crops are grown for the market is called intensive farming, commercial farming, mixed farming, plantation farming. 28. The port which is located near Elephanta Caves is Mormugava, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru Port, New Mangaluru. 29. Bokaro Steel Plant is located in Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal. 30. The earthquake zone which is known as zone of minimum intensity is the Himalayan zone, the peninsular zone, the moderate zone, the Indo-Gangetic zone. 31. Human Development Index was introduced by IMF, UNDP, IBRD, WTO. 32. The main aim of Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme is to provide electricity, generation of employment, to help the people to get financial assistance, to provide loan to the needy people. 33. In this type of account, the deposit amount cannot be withdrawn before the expiry of the term? Options are term or fixed deposit account, savings bank account, recurring deposit account, current account. Let's move to MCQ number 34. The Indian Postal Department is planning to start a bank to be tentatively called Post Office Savings Bank, Postal Life Insurance, National Savings Certificate, Postal Bank of India. 35. The President of District Consumer Forum is Judge of Supreme Court, District Judge, High Court Judge, District Lawyer. 36. World Consumers Day is celebrated on 15th March every year, 14th February every year, 14th November every year, 15th August every year. MCQ number 37. The Military General of Amritsar responsible for Jallianwala Bagh massacre was Lord Curzon, Hector Munro, General Dyer, Sir Eyre Coote. MCQ number 38. Now inland waterways play a limited role due to the development of airways and railways, the development of roads and airways, the development of roads and railways, the development of industry and railways. MCQ number 39. The oldest port of India is Tuticorin, Ennore, Chennai, Vishakhapatnam. Last MCQ 40. The main aim of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is. Options are to provide food, to provide shelter, to provide clothing, to provide water. Dear students, let's see the answers for all these questions. Check your answers now. First one, Francisco de Almeida. Second one, the differences among the Maratha chieftains, option C. Third one, option C, Warren Hastings. Fourth one, option C, Third Anglo-Mysore War. Fifth one, option D, Lord Wellesley. Sixth one, option A, Dayananda Saraswati. Seventh, C, Tatya Tope. Eighth, C, The Age of Moderates. Ninth, option A, The Partition of Bengal. 10th one, option B, Lala Lajpat Rai. 11th one, option B, the Indian National Congress did not participate. MCQ number 12, C, Bailukuppe. 13, option C, D.M. Nanjundappa. 14, option A, USA and USSR. 15, option B, India and China. 16, option D, December 10th, 1948. 17, option C, France, USA, UK, Russia and China. Option C is the correct answer. 18, option B, 86th Amendment. 19, option D, organized sector. 20, option D, 2012. 21, option B, Kalase Forest. 22, option C, the Greater Himalayas. 23, option A, the winter season. 24, option D, they are sandier and less clay. 25, D, Madhya Pradesh. 26, option A, the Damodar Valley project. 27, B, commercial farming. 28, C, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. 29, B, Jharkhand. 30, B, the peninsular zone. 31, B, UNDP. 32, B, generation of employment. 33, A, term or fixed deposit account. 34, D, Postal Bank of India. 35, B, district judge. 36, A, 15th March every year. 37, C, General Dyer. 38, C, the development of roads and railways. 39, option C, Chennai. 40, option B, to provide shelter. Special congratulations to those who have scored more marks. Those who have scored less marks, don't worry. Work hard. All the best.